Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about how to prepare safety monthly report. Creating monthly reports for safety department is one of the most important parts of the job for any organization or project. This report purpose is to keep up to date safety progress or deviations at site and inform management about everything happened on a site. How to make monthly report is discussed in this presentation. First of all, we have to know what are the things to include in a monthly report. 5 things must be included in monthly report. They are safety statistics, lagging indicators, leading indicators, site monitoring details, and safety improvements. Let me brief these one by one. First one, safety statistics, which means manpower details. Manpower is the number of personnel worked in the project or organization. Safe man hours, which means total man hours worked during this month without LTI. Lagging indicators. Safety lagging indicators are reactive measures that track only negative outcomes such as an injury once it has already occurred, which includes incidents, PPE deviations, work permit deviations, etc. Next one, leading indicators. Safety leading indicators are proactive measures that measures prevention efforts and can be observed and recorded prior to an injury, which includes trainings, mock drills, and safety meetings, etc. Next one, site monitoring. Monitoring of critical activities, workplace equipment conditions, etc. through inspections, audits, and walkthroughs. And last one, site improvements, which means what are the initiatives taken for workplace safety improvements by installing safety equipments, safety awareness boards, or workplace improvements. And the next step is how to prepare a monthly report format. This is the monthly report summary sheet. This sheet includes, as I discussed about, the safety man days or hours, safety training programs like contractor toolbox training, safety induction training for regular employees, safety induction training for contract employees. About work permit system, what are the permits issued and permits closed and permit audits. Next one, lagging indicators, which means near miss, first aid incidents, LTIs, other incidents, PPE non-compliance, work permit deviations, etc. When coming to the leading indicators, mock drill, committee meetings, safety meetings with contractors, weekly walkthroughs, audits, inspections. And next section is safety observations. How many observations were raised, how many observations were closed, and what are the pending observations. Like this we have to fill the statistics, like this we have to fill the summary. Here I mentioned the total manpower 100 and cumulative 700. The total work permits issued, the confined space entry permits are 50 and hot work permits are 100. And when coming to mock drills, we are conducted one mock drill. It comes to cumulative, there are total 2 mock drills. We have to mention the number of observations. Inside this report, the detailed information regards incidents, permit systems, trainings, mock drills, inspections, safety improvements, and other things to be furnished. Coming to the information regarding incidents, which includes the details of near misses and incidents happened in the entire month, which includes date, time, location, and description. Here I mentioned a fabrication workshop. During welding, smoke came from coupling due to heating. Incident is minor fire. When coming to near misses, smoke coming from the welding generator and there was no fire extinguisher. Like this we have to mention what are the incidents or near misses happened in the entire month. Trainings include the induction and other trainings. Like this, here safety induction for new employees. We have to mention the attendance, how many members are attended, and the training by who conducted and organized the training. We have to mention each and every training we are conducted on this month. Then the details of mock drills. What are the mock drills conducted? Here I mentioned we have conducted a mock drill on 5/6/2021 at 3 ppm and location is ETP. Here the scenario is hazardous waste catch fire. When coming to the meetings, we have conducted one central safety committee meetings and one meeting for contractor supervisor for giving instructions on rainy seasons, and another meeting safety in handling of foam bladder tank for ERT members. Next, when coming to the inspection details, which includes weekly walkthroughs, audits and inspections. So where we have conducted weekly walkthroughs like fabrication yard, PCC, warehouse. Here I mentioned fabrication yard, PCC, warehouse. And in tank farm area we have conducted internal audit. Like this, we have to mention what are the inspections and audits organized in this month. And next one, daily HSE observations. When daily monitoring the site, we observe some unsafe conditions or unsafe acts, and we have to take some corrective actions. So here are the sheet. We have to mention what are the observations raised by safety department and what are the corrective actions taken by, and who is responsible for particular observation. We have to mention like this. For example, one observation, it has been observed that excavated material was laying near the trench excavated area, location project area. So we have to mention date like this, and corrective action, remove the excavated material at least 1 meter away. So responsible person was the civil supervisor. The status closed, which means immediately they removed the excavated material after given instructions by us. Like this, we have to mention what are the observations we observed and immediate corrective actions taken. Then improvements like safety equipments installed, and see here I mentioned new windsock arranged for the purpose of emergency evacuation at ATP, and safety awareness programs like we are conducted safety awareness boards, posted records handling of hazardous waste at ATP. If you conducted any awareness programs or campaigns, we have to mention here. And last one, safety improvements at site. So this is very important sheet. What are the improvements means, which means improvements regards housekeeping, improvements regards workplace safety management, improvements regards eliminating hazards. Here I mentioned 3 improvements. First one, poor housekeeping observed at fabrication yard. So improved housekeeping at fabrication yard by tools management techniques, paced photographs before and after. Second one, earlier needed a pallet jack move heavy, large or heavy pallets around the plant. Arrange casters to allow easy transport of heavy, large or heavy pallets around the plant. And third one, cable obstructed the pathway at warehouse. So by coordinating with the electrical team, eliminated tripping hazard at pathway. Like this, we have to mention the improvements regards safety with pictures. This is about the safety statistic or safety monthly report. Hope you understand how to make the report. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos, and thanks for watching.